Welcome. This is a short video introduction to Bridging the Couple Chasm, Level 1, Gottman Method Couples Therapy. My name is Lisa Lund, and I am one of the trainers from the Gottman Institute. I'm a certified Gottman therapist and certified Gottman workshop leader. This Level 1 workshop is really the nuts and bolts of the Gottman theory. It's enough to get you up and running in your practice and using the interventions right away. It's very comprehensive. You'll receive this manual that's over 300 pages. In the workshop, we talk about primarily the first day on assessment. Being a scientific theory, we don't treat couples until we've completed a very thorough assessment with them. And we'll teach you in this workshop how to do that assessment with your couples. It's a wonderful way to get started. And really, for you, it's assessment. For your couples, it's very therapeutic. It gives them language to be able to talk about their problems. And really, for you, you're getting to see how they think about their issues in many different ways, both on the assessment forms that you will receive in your manual and be able to use with your clients right away if you choose. Also in the outline of the assessment sessions that I will teach you how to operate, how to get an oral history from your clients in that first session, as well as outlining the problems that they're dealing with and sampling some of their conflict interaction with each other, getting that on film, and really having all of that at your fingertips when you go ahead and give them the feedback based on the Sound Relationship House, which is basically the summary of Gottman's research and information, which you will use as a way to organize your information in giving your clients their treatment plan. It's just a wonderful structured model. We'll also have Julie Gottman, Dr. Julie Gottman, on tape using the main interventions in Gottman theory with a couple that will follow through day one, seeing her use the assessment techniques with them in session on the first day, and then the second day following the same couple as she helps them process a fight, as she helps them look at the dream, the meaning underneath their conflict, as she helps them process a stress-reducing conversation. So all of the main interventions in Gottman theory will be learned and modeled in this weekend training. It's a wonderful training, and I hope that you'll join us. Do know that I offer this training in a country residential setting that's really meant to be a retreat for practitioners who come and join us, and it's very limited. I only take 12 participants. So if you are interested, follow up with us, and please feel free to call me if you have any questions. Thank you.